Hi, today is 26th April 2000, 2026, and time is about 5 p.m. here in Slough. I think 2 past 5 p.m. I just want to show you I'm here. I live over there, as you can see over there, Canterbury Avenue. That's Cumberland Avenue, and I'm interested to show you 42 Cumberland Avenue. I moved accommodation over there, 42 Cumberland. Yeah. '44. That's the one. 42 Cumberland Avenue. So the incident was 2013. About exactly 1:14 a.m. midnight. I asked one guy for accommodation, and he said at that time this guy name was Rauf Taj. Please take a reference. Rauf, like a roof English. Roof Taj, roof. Elitist Zionist, no? Rauf Taj, na? Roofist, elitist. Zionist, I don't know what English. Roof Taj. And he said yeah, he will take a commission. I said, yeah, I will give you the commission. I went to the accommodation. There was an in Slough, and was some Pakistani nice guy, and he said, yeah, you can come and have. But later on I received no, this guy denied it, the accommodation. I came to this 42 Cumberland Avenue. This guy introduced it with the commission, Rauf Taj. I denied it. No, he denied it, landlord. Someone else took it, the room. He denied it. That was a big room, actually. Relative, not a big house. He denied it. And did you see a one pecky auntie looking back from dark web? Which movie am I? Hang on a second, I should make it here. And he denied it, and he denied it to give me. Then all Pakistani, my Indian, this is actually South Asian community, not Indian, Asian community. Solar City. There is an Indian uncle coming, as you can see, Punjabi uncle, Ajay Banga. Over here they are not Chinese, like in America, Asian and Canada called Americans, and Indian Pakistani called Indians in USA. They have a special White House department, South Asian department, passport, NATO passport. NATO girl, what's up, girl? Board, board of peace. Have fun. That's a card. We don't have a card. Anyways, 2013. This guy, I told him, I will pay you, but he said, yeah, no, the landlord, 42 Cumberland Avenue, 2013. The time is July, and I got to another house. This Pakistani guy was very lovely person from Karachi, very lovely person, Urdu speaking, very lovely person. His name was Muhammad. I said, जी brother, बिल्कुल ठीक है, मैं आपसे, lovely landlord. So immediately Punjabi, Karna, Sikh, Punjabi, Lahore, Hindu, Muslim, I don't know which car got activated. This guy called me because he had my number. This guy from this 42 Cumberland Avenue owner, he called me, said there is a room available now, small room, far cheaper, 1/3 the price. I said, yeah, I will take it. So I have to say no to this. Wow. Gone back to this, the Rauf Taj reference one. The commission £40 I will give you. But this time landlord is directly calling me for the different room. And this guy calling, and I took the room, small box room, small single child bed, hardly can fit in it. You know, not a claim benefit. Where the money gonna come? Work. Very emotionally attached people. There is a cover, shoelace tie one, auntie, and 1 second. Here is another from dark auntie. They are around me doing. Anyway, so I said, yeah. They aren't to me. I have to be careful walking. Sunday afternoon, na. Why lots of children outside, man. Piddo. Donald Trump attacked last night. So this guy, sorry, why I'm distracted? Oppression overload, distraction actually. Okay. Lots of dollars involved though. Hard currency. Brothel is in a danger. No, scarf is. I don't know what's in danger. Anyways, so I took the room. I moved into the house, and 11th July. You need to remember, 7/11. 11th July. Time was 1:14. There is a chapter 114 exactly in Quran. But okay, let's say 1:15. I shouldn't have opened the door, but just make a mistake. It was full lad's house, housemaid. I just got someone knocking the door, and I gone to the door, and I opened the door. 42 Cumberland Avenue. Time is 1:14 or 1:15 a.m. or midnight, and midnight time. Midnight time, and midnight time. As a Punjabi uncle, look, watch. Punjabi uncles, they want to come. I moved away. Man, I don't want to put you in a frame. Contact YouTube. Remove, inshallah ta'ala. If you want to remove the blur, at least you contact via YouTube. Anyways, so they contacted. So no, sorry, yeah, and he literally started attacking. You start swearing at me verbally first, and literally physically assaulting me, punching me, and literally start attacking me. You didn't give my £40 commission. I said, this time of night, and you just forcing into the house, literally. Not like there is a law there. Even the premises you do so. £40, literally get under and start fighting. I have to defend myself. I pull him away. Even I fell on the, initially something happened. My head was banged on the door or somewhere. My head was bleeding, and he started punching. Literally started fighting, properly bunching me. In the defend, there was a Pakistani Becky bastard is emotionally attached. Pakistani consulate, Pakistani MNA, Pakistani ambassadors, Asian Punjabistan, Pakhtunistan, Khalistan, Narendra Modi. Let's make India great again and do great again. I don't know what was that. Start punching me, man. Afghanistan, bully hurt. Really, Walker, you were busy in Afghanistan, killing Pakis in Iraq. I don't know why were you there. Anyways, Solar Tree already happened, 2010, 26 March. And properly, and then other guys also came, and he was literally gone. And I thought I should gonna call police. And this landlord said, police ki na call kare, Punjabi Singh. Punjabi bastard. Some Pakistani Muslim from he used to say, take off the shirt, look at my white inside from Lahore. मैं पठान से नहीं पिछू आए सा पंजाबी बोलने हैं पिछू मैं पठान हाँ No, no, see, you know, I'm from back, I don't know which back asshole, Greece or Turkey, which sperm coat you were there. As another curly uncle, I don't know. Anyway, uh, so he was saying, oh yeah, police ki na call kari. Then, you know, don't call police. Anyways, for a little after a while, his lots of literally start banging, kicking the door. We're gonna kill you, bastard. Lots of people with a full pack of cars. Tu asane mame ki Maria. There's another pack. Look. Paki Waliullah. Paki car. Another auntie. Look over there. Russian's pump. I don't know which one. Iranian. Anyway, tu asane mame ki Maria. Yeah. Swearing, Paki, Flona, blah, English speaking. Yeah, banging the door like properly want to break it. And this guy, you know, the landlord, still saying, don't police ki na call kari Punjabi uncle. Police ki na call kari. Police ki na call. Swearing at me, don't call police. Hide somewhere, there is a shed there. Hide from them. Honest to God. These Paki bastards. My eyes. White bitch was yesterday. Pakistani man grooming English girls. But that brothel bitch. Footballer in New Zealand. People got killed. Bitch got away. Footballer in a shot. What a brothel they running all the way. Yeah, Uncle Samoa. Sir, steer car mar. Hire me for voodoo repellent. Malala Yusuf said that Shmano Mabu Liam David I don't know what it is. James Clemens Kemi Bandok. Anyways, I think it was a David Cameron. His government man. Anyway, and then they were banging. Then someone called a neighbor from neighbors properly. Police, no. Police came. Then he called the police. I assaulted him. Police came and they have arrested me. Two big guy, white guys, one burly big guy. I used to have that proper curl hair. White guys, they handcuffed me and it was a Ramadan. Ramadan second day. Ramadan. It was a Ramadan day. It was another Punjabi. Look, Punjabi uncle. Quite onto me. They were onto me. Deep son. Anyways. Anyway यार मेरे लवली इंडियन जो YouTube से देखोगे ना आप यार आपकी कुर्बानी है फिर समझ लें आपकी सेक्रीफाइस है आपकी भी जलालत है जो खालिस्तान वो जो असल वाले हैं पंजाब में इंडिया के जो गरीब नहीं है जो बोर इधर इंग्लैंड में कनाडा में घूमना फिरना चाहते हैं इससे ज़्यादा इंशाल्लाह ताला स्ट्रॉन्ग पाकिस्तानी पासपोर्ट तो दूर की बात है इंडिया का आपका अपना पूरे आज़ाद है बांग्लादेशी पासपोर्ट या नेपाल का ये यार मैं बाद में बात करेंगे अफगानिस्तानी ये मैं इनको बता रहा था तो इनके का नाम है वो पाकिस्तानी अंकल नहीं है इनके रामिया वो कह रहे हैं आज कह रहे थे बड़ी सफारती डिप्लोमेट डोनाल्ड ट्रंप पे अटैक हुआ ना वो इसहाक डार ब्रिटिश नेशनल इधर से लेके गए $multi-million के फ्रॉड पे उन्हें आ जाओ पाकिस्तान में आ जाओ वापस इंग्लैंड से शहबाज शरीफ नवाज शरीफ इमरान खान सारे इंग्लैंड में इकट्ठे हुए हैं अल्ताफ़ हुसैन MQM सारे इंग्लैंड में MQM जमात इस्लामी तालिबान शिया पता नहीं इंग्लैंड में कैसे इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं सारे यार चलो बाद में बात करेंगे नरेंद्र मोदी का भैया जी भी इधर ही है सारे इधर ही पहुँचे हुए हैं जन्नत फरदौस में जन्नतुल फरदौस में स्वर्ग में मैं पता नहीं किस नर्क में हूँ यार क्या बात कर रहा था हाँ इंग्लिश ऑनली इंग्लिश व्हाट्स कल्लावारी यार वो ये बड़ा है तमिल तो मेरे बड़े अच्छे दोस्त होते थे हिंदू वगैरह भी अभी हो देखो बात कर रहे हैं अंकल पाकिस्तानी अंकल कार आई कार में बैठे ठग अच्छा तो वो इतने काले मेरे यार मुझे तो डिस्कस्टिंग है रियली फील डिस्कस्टिंग टॉकिंग अबाउट है दिस स्किन कलर दैट स्किन कलर ब्लैक तो ना मैं ये कहता है अच्छा what I was saying, yeah. And then police arrest me, and then they have taken me to Midnight police station. Teresa, mere baba no. Home Secretary going to Pakistan, do more, Dimmers, do more. Over there, better, look. Over there, you're a you right me. Since no chick. Joko, bang. No chick and Joko. Ball in your court. No, Joko, Serbian one. It's a tennis, football, cricket. Donald Trump say ball. Room, I'm gonna make it proper ball. Proper security. Diplomatic community. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Regime change. Yeah. Then they took me. I thought they were going to take me to a local police station. It was Ramadan. Then again, Shivana Mahmood, remember what happened 2025 Ramadan? Same date, it was 3rd Ramadan, arrested again. Devil is captured. That's Muslim Muhammad said that during Ramadan, Shaitan is captured, locked up, then released again. This Ramadan was, guess who was celebrity? Thames Valley police, I don't know which police arrested. Prince Andrew, Peter Mendelssohn. Peter Mendelssohn was saying, Mendy, don't hide Mendy. Told you, don't hide Mendy. Raja Rizwan Mushtaq, British passport, British nationality. Pakistani passport, Pakistani nationality. Dual nationality. Straight alliance. Man, something very bad happened. Then they took me to there and took DNA. It was a Ramadan. Took me there, locked me up, and locked me up there, and all that stuff. Then because he made it report, Rauf Taj, Pecky bastard, that I have attacked it. Police firmly believed it. Yeah. Someone came into a house attacking. Then they arrested. Then he even, I think they beat him or something. Then his head was saying, look, you hurt him. Look, his blood was coming. You try to kill him. He's saying, you gonna kill me. I said, no, officer, I did not said anything. Something. And they arrested. I thought, man, that's the way it is. Then what can I do? There is, I give you up till now. At that time, there is no guarantor. Before maybe 2010, someone maybe give me guarantor. You know what's the bail? Someone gave me a bail that they can bail me out. Someone take my guarantee. I'm not. Oh, whatever. Man, whatever they're gonna do, what can I do? Jesus Christ is here. Fly the Pharaoh above the law. Anyway, they kept him there. I said, I told you, I did not said anything. I did not said to him because he reported to the police. That police firmly believed it and took me arrested and locked me up there for a night. And at morning time, I have to, fast without drinking anything in a toilet, open toilet, yeah. In a cell. A cell is an organism. Battery cell. 1.5 degree earth is rising. 1 degree volta. Sorry. Yeah. Then they let me go. I said, you can go. I said, how am I gonna go? There is no car, there is no money. How am I gonna come back to Maidenhead? Because I used to walk Maidenhead with a sleeper. And then someone was going off duty. This nice police officer, white, lovely person. Bless him. God bless him actually. He said, I will drop you back to Slough. I'm going to, I don't know which side, further down. He specially diverted for me to via Slough. So, he's specially officer, he's in a private car. One guy, white guy, Lahari. During the drive, he said, why these people are onto you? I said, hey. He said, lots of people onto you. Lots of people onto you. That was 2013, way before Corona, Ariana Grande, all that stuff. Way before. These girls especially came behind children. White bitch came over here from brothel. Fuck knows which brothel. Yesterday, I'm talking about not these ladies or girls. I don't know what's their age. I know. Oh, I don't know. I don't want to talk about it. Aj watch song Greta Thunberg. You know there is a 5-star family. Putin uncle's rating going down. I don't know why BBC was looking so worried about it. Zelensky's rating going down. Not worry about. Not happy about it. Lukashenko's rating going down. Not happy about it. Fraud. Thugs. Thugs. Netanyahu's rating going down, not happy about it. You think Ahmad al-Shara's rating going up? Narendra Modi's rating going up? We're going up, we're going down. What's that, Donald Trump? What's that, defense uncle? Pete Haggard going up. Anyways, that's why once I thought I'd tell you something about 42. What's that? I think that's a triple X number. When you 3 times text XX Greek style, Greek numerical, triple X, and then you convert it into logarithm 110, 110, 110. That's 42. Man, if there is high street banking, bank holiday, English is not allowed. Anything possible. Number 42, then other way around in the mirror, 24. Anything is possible. Uncles are here. Family uncle, Joker uncle. I moved away from back. Joker, auntie behind left. Family connection. Chingis Khan, chimpanzee family, I don't know. Which cousin is it? I think that should be enough. Let's do a bit of a walk. No, not going there. Today is Sunday. Auntie came out of nowhere. Sporty bitch, white bitch, fucking assholes. I want to be in yesterday. Oh, watching kids. Which kid? Joker. You want to know how many people are died? Which brothel you know from deep state? Dark web. These are local groups actually. They are vested interest. Jokers. Lots of visas, lots of councillors, MNA, MPA, or presidents from different all origin is here. Raja Rizwan Mushtaq Solar City. This one was that United Kingdom intellectual property. Something very, very sinister, ugly, beyond terrorism. McCallum already happened to British white young male and female. Starting from there. I don't want to say because in England is everyone is equal. Children, pedo. There was a song actually, Yulia Karavalova. Putin uncle, Zelensky uncle, and other uncles, state 15, one former state of USSR. Yulia Karalova song, I watched it, man. It was bubble gum gone. Bubble.com bank. When you exaggerate Bible, no bubble. Bubble. 1 second, one uncle is coming this way, so I don't want to uncle headphone young Pakistani uncle young boy, I don't know what's the age. Here is my son is coming over there looking at me. When you contact via YouTube, why don't you tell that? So Greta Thunberg, there is a girl there, a little girl. A little girl there. Quite a resemblance, quite look alike with Greta Thunberg. That released 2012. Yes, Tabo. You know, we are together. Oh, God. Richard, I can't breathe oxygen. All over the world. Next year, cave children. 2018, isn't it? Elon Musk. What was that? Solon, Elon. Black or no, bit white. Attacking Donald Trump. Lone gunman Wacko. Donald Trump. Having a glitz and glass. No, what's that? Glitz and glass or glamour. Virginia. Jeffrey, I don't know which English was that. And Prince Andrew, one. Same date died, a day before she committed suicide. I think the Pope died. Raja Rizwan is here. I'm going to mosque today. Now is Asr time midday. I'm gonna watch her now. Yeah, next year. I will tell you Elon Musk what I said. It was Terminal 4. I was walking. I said something. Next year, no, cave children will be. That's chapter 18. Man Muhammad said, "Hey, is ambulance Jesus. Hey, look. Behind too. Hey, the common dog is pissing on the road. Bulldog. Muhammad's Surah Qaf, not Kiev. In Kiev in English. When I was there, it used to call Kiev, like a F, cave. When you recite every Friday, you should be protected from Antichrist, the Jal, the mischief of the Jal. I used to pray. So now I'm occasionally pray. Recite chapter 18. Wait, Corona. Put a mask on the last one. Freedom of religion. Yusuf, they say, used to have a mosque. Brother Yusuf over there. Brother of Yusuf. Which Bible was that, Jumanji? Oh, cough, English. Yeah, that one. What has connection? If it's not English, bank holiday English. 24/7. I think that would be enough already too much. Okay, lots of people. So I will talk about that Joker bitch later on. Right, bitch. I will go when is empty Salt Hill Park. Bitch won't not be seen again. I'm a white brothel. Different car. Bye bye.